Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to sync updates between HighLevel and Mapsly. This tutorial assumes that you've already connected a data source to Mapsly. Once your data source is configured and the initial dataset is loaded, disable data sync with this Google spreadsheet by turning this switch to off. Then, generate an API key to your newly created data source by following the steps on the screen. Let's go to our HighLevel account and go to the Automations page. Click to create a new workflow from scratch. Press the Add New Trigger button and select the contact created trigger. Now let's add a new action. We will use the custom webhook action. You can copy-paste the webhook URL from our help article. Insert in the URL the API key that we generated earlier in this video. Add the request body in the format that you see on the screen and save this action. Now you can test this workflow. We see that this workflow has been executed successfully and that a record has been created in Mapsly. You will also need to create a second workflow for the contact change trigger. Everything is going to be configured the same way as the workflow that we've just configured. Alright, well that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.